G'day everyone, Gareth here from Foxwood Beekeeping. I wasn't expecting this morning. We've got some really heavy rain coming and some strong winds, and I would normally have gone down and strapped the beehives down. I don't know whether we can see it. That's the flow hive down there. And then we have the Paradise bee box, which is behind that water tank over there. And I'm hoping they don't blow over. Because we've got some horrible winds as well. That tree's all twisting over there. And they break really easy, these trees. I'm pretty sure we've probably already lost some bees because the wind just went from, it literally went from no wind to probably 30 plus knots. So let's cross fingers that the bees are all okay. Even that tree's like swinging everywhere. And this is light compared to what it was when the rain first came down. There's not much you can do about it. But unfortunately the bees that were probably out probably won't make it back. Cross fingers, eh? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Give us a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, bye.